Hi everyone, my name is Karen Reid. I'm a Brennan healing science practitioner and I trained with Dr. Barbara Ann Brennan, who was a NASA physicist. She wrote the book Hands of Light, which is a very famous book in the healing world. She also wrote Light Emerging and Core Light Healing. So following training with her, I have had a private practice for over 25 years and I've healed tens of thousands of people. I'm also the third year dean at the Barbara Brennan School of Healing Australasia. And my mission today is to tell you about the three different ways that we communicate with each other through the human energy field. The first is called harmonic induction. And this is where one human energy field will harmonically induce its resonant frequency into another person's field. It's a bit like striking a tuning fork that causes another to sound. So in the therapeutic sense, if we had a client who maybe was flip-flopping on a decision or they really wanted to create a longing in their life and they couldn't get to the positive intention to create that themselves, I, as a healer, will hold positive intention, and through harmonic induction, the client's frequency in their own field will lift to my frequency. So we call that harmonic induction. The second way in which we communicate through our fields is through relational chords. So lots of you would have heard about chord work. It's interesting because they're flexible hollow tubes. They run from one chakra, from one person to the chakra in another person. And through these chords run thoughts and feelings. That's all just thoughts and feelings. So if you think to your relational chords with anyone in your life, what are the thoughts and feelings you have towards that person? That's the energy consciousness that's going to be running between you guys. The third way in which we communicate through our fields is called bioplasmic streamers. So, when you're walking along the street and you can feel someone like their eyes burning into the back of your head, or you can feel someone checking you out, they will be doing that through what we call bioplasmic streamers. So it's a stranger or a musician on a stage. It's someone that you haven't had a relational call with, but you're still feeling energy from that person. That will be coming from bioplasmic streamers. If you would like to know more about the human energy field, Beverly Howarth, who's the dean at the Barbara Brennan School of Healing in Australasia, like I am, we are running a workshop on the 7th and 8th of March this year. It is going to be in Sydney. It will be hybrid. So if you can't make it in person, we will be live on Zoom as well for the weekend. We're going to be talking loads more about energy, chakras, chords, healing, and we're going to be teaching you some really amazing techniques, including a full body collation, both in person and how to do it remotely. So if that sounds like something that's interesting for you, please, would love to see you. Give me an email, karen@thehealingcompany.co.nz, where I can give you more details, or click on the link below to find out. We'd love to see you. Have a great day, everyone.